presenting a pre-owned 2024 Alfa Romeo. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 1.3-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and a Aisin 6-speed shifted transmission. This Alfa Romeo is a great value with less than 32,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 29 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power sunroof, and leather seats.